Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. Today we're going to look at how to add a Facebook cover photo. So if you're new to Facebook, navigate to your Facebook page and go to your profile. Then you're going to click on Add Cover Photo. So from here you've got two options. You can choose a cover photo from your recent photos or photo albums, or you can choose to upload a photo of your choice. So for this tutorial, I'm just going to add a photo that I've got. Then that will load and you can choose to accept it. If it looks good, you can always drag it to reposition it to your liking, up and down, left or right. And when you're happy with it, you can save the changes. So hope that helped. Please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you soon.